Johan, let me ask you something. Do you think successful people are more talented or more disciplined?
That's interesting. I think they are more consistent. Not perfect, just consistent.
Exactly. And that consistency comes from one thing, a daily routine.
Yes, your routine decides your results.
From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, your habits shape your future.
So today, let's talk about how to build a powerful daily routine.
And how small habits can change your life.
Morning routine.
Let's start with mornings, because mornings set the tone for the entire day.
I agree. If I wake up late and rush everything, my whole day feels stressful.
Same here. That's why I wake up early. Not extremely early, but early enough to feel calm.
What's the first thing you do?
I drink a glass of water. Then I avoid checking my phone for at least 20 minutes.
That's powerful. Most people check social media immediately.
Yes, and that fills your mind with noise.
Instead, try stretching, deep breathing, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes.
A peaceful morning creates a productive day.
Afternoon routine.
Now let's talk about afternoons. This is when most people lose energy.
True, the famous afternoon slump.
So how do you stay focused?
I work in blocks, 45 minutes of focus, then 5 minutes of break.
That helps your brain recharge.
Exactly. And I eat a light lunch. Heavy food makes me sluggish.
Same here. After lunch, I complete the most important task first.
That's called priority focus. Do the hardest task while your energy is still high.
Small structure, big difference.
Evening routine.
Yes, because how you end your day affects your next morning.
After dinner, I like to unwind, maybe read a book or take a short walk.
I avoid screens before bed. It helps me sleep better.
Sleep is not laziness, it is recovery.
And recovery builds consistency.
Mindset shift.
Many people think routine is boring.
But routine creates freedom.
When your habits are strong, your mind becomes free.
Free from stress, free from confusion, free from last-minute panic.
Start small, one habit at a time.
Wake up 20 minutes earlier, drink more water, plan your day.
You don't need a perfect routine.
You need a realistic routine.
Powerful closing.
Remember this, your future is hidden in your daily habits.
If you change your routine, you change your life.
So tell us in the comments, what is one habit you want to improve?
And if you're serious about building confidence and fluency,
Subscribe to Fluent Talk English.
new conversations, new growth every week.
Stay consistent, stay confident.